Is it easy to be a shipper receiver? No, it's not. Is it my dream? No, it is not. But like right now, I'm about to pursue my career by becoming a Linux system administrator, and I'm on my way, and I'm telling you, I'm enjoying it already. It is fun. It is a world full of anything you can think of. Like, okay, it's not easy. I'm not gonna say it's 100% easy, but it's entertaining. Every single day you learn new things. That's how Linux works. There's a path to everything, and this is exactly what I'm doing. I've always dreamed of becoming an IT guy, and now I can say that I'm proud. I'm proud for jumping into it. I'm proud for because I stopped wasting time because I've been thinking of, oh, can I make it? Oh, maybe I'm gonna have to spend 4 years in school, stuff like that. But I'm telling you today, it's not true.